Make a great choice today with the 2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.